Welcome to the IOD 301 pretest explanation video. IOD is interpretation of data, and the designated number is 301. And IOD 301 is select two or more pieces of data from a simple data presentation. Simple data presentation is two or less variables. Okay. So, let's scan the passage. By the way, this is for question 1 only. Okay, so scan the passage. We got some text. Study 1, study 2. So we got at least 2 studies. We got some text here. We got some text here. We've got 2 tables. And that looks like that's it. Okay, so we got some text. We got 2 studies with some text and some tables. Okay, that's a scan. Table 1, Table 2. Now, let's look at the question. What are the estimated mineral volume and estimated age of salt pan A? Okay, so what are the estimated mineral volume and estimated age of salt pan A? So we're looking for 2 things. The estimated mineral volume and the estimated age of salt pan A. So if we go up here, estimated mineral volume and estimated age. And they didn't tell us which table, so we're going to have to figure that out. So where do we find estimated mineral volume and estimated age? Well, I see type of fossils and estimated age. Here I see estimated age and estimated mineral volume. So that's what I'm looking for, these 2 things. So I'm going to use table 1. And I'm using salt pan A. That was in the question, in salt pan A. So here's salt pan A. So this is the estimated mineral volume, which is 2 with 6 zeros, which is 2 million. And the units are km to the 3rd power, which is read kilometers cubed. It's a volume. It's cubic kilometers. And this is 2 million, okay? So the estimated age in millions of years is 4.5, so 4.5 million years. So our estimated mineral volume is 2 million kilometers cubed, and our estimated age is 4.5 million years. So let's go down and find it. 2 million kilometers cubed and 4.5 million years. That's this one. Okay, so this is the correct response. In table 1, to the right of salt pan A, we find the values 2 million kilometers cubed and 4.5 million years. This makes this the correct response. Something like that. Okay, so that makes these all distractors. Alright, now we need to figure out why these are distractors. Okay, plant species are in 5.5 million years. Plant species are in 5.5 million years. Okay, so we see plant species are in 5.5 million years, and it's in table 2. So we see this information in table 2. That's why this is a distractor. These values are found to the right of plant of salt pan B in table 2. A careless student might choose this response because they see the values in the passage. Okay, 4.5 kilometer, 4,500,000 kilometers cubed, and 5.7 million years. That's here. And again, plant species or salt pan B. It's in table 1, so it's the right kinds of numbers, but it's just not the right salt pan. Okay. These 2 values are found in table 1. they are the right kinds of values. In other words, they share the same units as the correct response, but they are to the right of salt pan B. The question asks for the values of salt pan A. Okay. The last one, 12,150,000 kilometers cubed and 2.1.0 million years is down here. So it's the same thing as the previous one, except for it's salt pan D instead of A. So these two values are found in table 1. They are the right kinds of values. In other words, they share the same units as the correct response, but they are for salt pan D. The question asks for the values of salt pan A. Okay, that is the explanation for question 1 for IOD 301. So please take a moment to look at your response for number 2. See if you can find the correct response now that you've seen an explanation of question 1. And then check in with the second video to see if you've gotten the right answer.